In the case of highly visible cuts, a clear exterior sealant such as Thompson's water seal can be used to help conceal the surface and restore vibrance. When a stone needs to be removed, snip the finish nail with end cutting pliers. No need to remove the embedded portion of the fastener. In case of an exposed cut, a tool such as a hammer can be used to texture the surface. From time to time, a fastener may not fully recess below the face of the stone. Use a nail set to fix this occurrence.
Stones can easily be adjusted by tapping them with a hammer. Evolved Stone. Nailed it.